Good morning, Central Minnesota. I'm Kevin Bloomberg with Granite City Weather. We have a line of showers moving through the area. Hardly any thunder with this. And you'll also see it start to dissipate a little bit as it moves further to the east and north. And in fact, here in St. Cloud, I can even see the sun peeking through the cloud cover every now and then here as well. Here's our outlook for today from the Weather Prediction Center. Low pressure to our west, stationary front setting up right over central parts of the state, and along and north of that, highlighted in red, we have the possibility for some excessive rainfall, with also the possibility then for some flash flooding. And down to our south, in the yellow highlighted areas, we have the greatest possibility for some severe weather going into this afternoon especially, and then by tomorrow this area of low pressure will move further off to the east. We'll still have some wraparound showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today, but nothing severe is expected there. There is a severe possibility today though. This is the severe weather outlook from the SPC. With a little bit of a change compared to yesterday. Yesterday, the dark green marginal risk for the 1 out of 5 extended about as far north as St. Cloud, Alexandria, and the Twin Cities. Now, though, the SPC has pushed it all the way into parts of north-central Minnesota, also including Bemidji and Walker. The exact reason for that, I'll show you in a second. The highest risk factor for today still looks to be hail. In central Minnesota, we are in the brown. It's basically a very small possibility, but there is a possibility of exceeding severe limits for hail that is 1 inch diameter or greater. Down to our south, especially highlighted in the black hatched area, they could see some very severe hail, possibly even up to 2 inch diameter hail there. For the wind, very similar situation for us in central Minnesota. Just a pretty small chance overall that we could exceed severe limits, 60 mile per hour or greater wind gusts, with some of the storms that will pop up again this afternoon. Here's the interesting one though, the tornado probabilities, because this one extends a lot farther north than both the hail and wind chances. So the SPC is highlighting this area for us. It is a highly conditional area though, so we really have to see what the atmosphere is going to do this afternoon. We are expecting to see some more sunshine going into this afternoon, so that would destabilize the atmosphere a little bit. The question is, will it destabilize enough to see a tornado, maybe even a few tornadoes going into this afternoon? So the main reason why this chance is so low is because it is very conditional and it's very uncertain at this point how much instability we will get going into this afternoon. Of course, we will keep a very close eye on it throughout the day today. So we will see the increase in precipitation chance, especially by mid to late afternoon. That's when we will see new showers starting to pop up in a very warm and juicy air mass setting up over us this afternoon. And then going into the overnight hours, we'll still see a pretty high chance for some rain, but this will mainly be some more steady rain. Nothing severe is expected going into the overnight hours tonight. That main window will come this afternoon, somewhere mainly between 2 and 8 p.m. for us this afternoon. We will not do any live stream from our studio today, but if the situation requires it, I might do a live stream just like this with the images and me talking over it. So make sure you follow Granite City Weather on Twitter and Instagram for all the important weather updates going into the day today.